Hey Ernie, how you doing? Oh, you're muted, buddy. Sorry.
We,
Any
yeah, we've been down this path a couple times in the
mhm.
past.
Okay.
Uh, um, right now, what I'm facing with about 18 months ago, I
Hmm.
became septic. That means every cell, muscle,
Hmm.
sinew in my body was blood poisoned. And
Yeah.
I went from 180 pound, 82-year-old strong man to
Hmm.
like 135-pound
Yeah.
skeleton. And that's where I am now. I've been out of the house for, I've been living in my home. I was
Hmm.
out once in 18 months. And
Yeah.
so I have, out of that septic, I became COPD, which
Yep.
means I can't breathe. I can't
Yeah.
fill my blood up with oxygen. Uh,
Wow.
I'm stuck on a 20-foot vinyl hose to provide me with oxygen. If I do any kind of exercise, even standing up to pee, I start having anxiety attacks because I
Okay.
can't breathe. I
Yep.
start panting. So I would first of all, and we're about, so when I went in the hospital a couple
Mhm.
weeks ago for
Yeah.
8 days, they thought I might have viral pneumonia because I had small gray areas in the bottle of each of my lungs. So
Yep.
they gave me very intense antibiotics. Now
Okay.
they want to do, and they don't know the result until they
Um,
do a CAT scan
okay.
in
So,
about in
Ernie,
about in about a
right.
month. And
Right.
then,
Just a slight breath in. All right. So, did you take the vaccine?
oh no,
Oh, thank God. All right. So, okay. So, if you had COVID just off the bat, it's like taking the vaccine. It's just an airborne vaccine for people. So, Ernie, when I see you, I'm not a doctor or anything like that. I'm not diagnosing you, but there's so many people that are say at some level of septic. You're extreme septic. After the COVID situation, a lot of people did become septic, and what happens from what I'm seeing, even before you said anything like that, Ernie, is literally where you are, and there's some reverb, but you have mold in your, and that's why you're septic. Okay, so the COVID virus, if it's manufactured or if air, I'm not gonna get into that stuff, but the COVID virus was basically the carrier of COVID was mold. Okay. And then they put whatever on there because mold is insidious. And this is where many people are at some level septic and their systems literally shut down. Okay. So mold, that's what you've got. It's just a suggestion, but I would do a mold cleanse for you. You want to make sure that there's no mold in your house. So you want to make sure of that as well. But that's where it all originated, my friend. So if you did literally clean mold cleanse, and then there's natural, cleansers out there for you. I would take the natural ones. Um, you would literally regain yourself. Okay.
can your staff recommend their favorite?
Um, if you do like a mold cleanse protocol or mold or fungus protocol, yeah, my staff could help you. But again, we're not medical clinics or
Oh
anything
no,
like
no, but I
that.
would do it right away.
Yeah, yeah, that would really help you, my friend. But you have such a beautiful youth in you. And that's why before this, you're just a strong, say, virile man. I see you in your 20s. So you have that vibrancy of a young man in you all the time. And that's the beauty of older people that, get in your not in this situation, but you have that vibrancy, you have that youth of as you age, which is really nice. So during this time, I was not only helping you say detox, with the mold symptoms, but I was also helping you bring that vibrancy in. So after you recover from this, you recover much, much faster. you'll regain, a lot of your strength back. Okay, that's what we're thinking. But you have to do some kind of protocol on
But
that.
you don't
Okay.
see you don't see cancer. You don't see you
I'm
don't
not a doctor, but even cancers start from, I would say, a mold or again, a fungus at its root cause from what I'm seeing. Again, I'm not a doctor, but I've helped thousands of people cure themselves of cancer. The key word is I don't cure you, you cure yourself. So no,
yeah,
those are all the, no offense, medical society. Hey, this is shit. They're gonna make a shitload of money off you, buddy. But the simple, and it doesn't hurt. Just do the mold protocol, mold fungus protocol, my friend, and I bet you will feel much, much better aside from whatever they're telling you, but that's the real cause.
if
Okay?
you send me a protocol, I will
Um,
start tomorrow.
Yeah, so if you go on YouTube, guys, can you help Ernie give him a mold and fungus protocol and the team from that because we're again my team is not a medical staff. So anybody that's out there, can you just well and then Ernie, we'll copy that for you and then we'll send it to you. How's that
And
sound?
that,
Okay.
by the way, you're looking good.
Oh, thanks, buddy. Thanks. You too, man. I can't
You
wait to
got
see
this.
it.
You got the same vitality.
Yes, thank you so much. Yeah, we got to stick together, us older people. All right, buddy. You take care, my friend.